One of the questions I get asked more than almost anything else is, Dave, what LiPo battery charger do you actually recommend? Now, that's a very good question, because over the years I've reviewed a lot of chargers. Some I've bought myself, some were sent to me for review, and some were great, and others, well, you know, they had their challenges. And about a year ago, Toolkit RC chargers were my go-to recommendation. But for the last year, this has been doing most of my charging. It's the HOTA D6 Pro Dual. Why? It just works every single time. Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. When you're flying regularly, especially in FPV, your charger needs to be boring, you know, in the best possible way. You don't want to fight menus, you don't want weird behaviour, and you definitely don't want any surprises. And this charger has been on my bench for the last year, and it's become my daily driver because it's reliable, predictable and quick to use. I've charged everything on this: small packs, 4S freestyle packs, 6S cinematic packs, long range packs, and it's never once let me down. And it only costs about £70 in the UK. So let's quickly run through the important specs, not all the marketing fluff. This is a true dual channel charger, so you can charge two batteries independently at the same time, different settings on each if you want. Power wise, it supplies up to 200 watts total on AC with smart power distribution across both of these channels using its internal main supply, and up to 325 watts per channel on DC using your own external DC power supply that you plug into that XT60. But honestly, I hardly ever use an external supply with this. Plugging it into a mains outlet with this is just so convenient. It supports 2S to 6S, LiPo, high voltage LiPo, lithium-ion, you know, all the usual chemistries. Balanced charging, storage charging, discharging, and importantly, the screen is very clear, responsive and fast to navigate. It supports wireless device charging on the top here, which I'll show you in a minute, and it's got an auxiliary 5 volt USB 2.1 amp USB port on the side there. And you can get a pack charging in seconds, not minutes, so just let me show you. So let's plug this in here, if I can get it in. There we go. Plug that into a mains outlet. All very simple. And all we need to do is, it's got a very clear display, as you can see. You've got two buttons on here. This is a channel select, and this one is just for selecting the options, which I'll show you. So if you plug this one in here, make sure I get that the right way round. Negatives on that end on this charger. And so this is 6S 1350. So let's see if I can show you what's going on here. So you select channel 1 like that. Press the scroll wheel there and select whatever you want to do. So I want to charge it, but you can choose charge, discharge, external discharge. That means it will discharge not through an internal load, but out through a battery or something you've plugged in the back. But we want to charge. Battery type, well, these are all the chemistries, all the normal stuff, but I'm using a LiPo. Cell voltage 4.2, but you can adjust that. It's all automatically detected. This is 6S, but you can manually select that. And current setting, well, I'll go for 1.3. There we go. Start. And that's it. It's charging. Down the bottom here, it shows you the charge on the individual cells. As you can see, they're fluctuating around as it's keeping these in balance. Then up here, it shows you the charge current and how much is the time it's been charging, that sort of thing. When it's finished, it just stops. And you could charge two batteries at the same time. So you could charge a LiPo on this one, and you could charge lead acid or anything on here if you wanted to. They're completely independent. To stop it, you just stop it. And there's a wireless charging pad on the top here, so you can stick your phone on top of there and it charges up. Just very, very useful. Now, just like everything in life, no charger is perfect. The D6 Pro Dual only goes up to 6S. So if you're running 8S packs, you'll need something else. And I use other chargers for my 8S setups. But for the vast majority of pilots, especially FPV, 2 to 6S is where most people live. And this handles that brilliantly. Also, this USB output on the side here, it's only 2.1 amps, so you won't be able to quick charge anything. So if you're looking for a solid daily charger that just gets on with the job, the HOTA D6 Pro Dual is very easy to recommend. If you've got any questions about chargers or batteries, drop them in the comments. And if this helped, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.